Honourable Justice Elizabeth Gwaunza's achievement is a shining example of selflessness that has driven her to serve her country and fellow women in matters relating to the law.
I developed an interest in the law from an early age because perhaps because my father was a policeman and I grew up in police stations and came into contact with situations where the law was being applied or the law was in question. I had a very progressive father, I think I should say. He was, like I said, he was a policeman. I don't know whether that had anything to do with it, but he was very progressive. He believed in giving his children, all of them, there were 7 of us. He believed in doing everything in his power to ensure that we all got an education.
After obtaining her Bachelor of Law degree in 1977, she worked with the government in various capacities and helped to champion change in the way that the law represented women.
Some of it came from personal experiences. When I started working, after I left university, I joined government, one of the departments in the Ministry of Justice. And for the first time I came face to face, as it were, with some of the challenges that African women at that time were having to face. To start with, at that time, African women were regarded as minors at law. They did not attain legal age of majority, as it were. They had to be assisted by a man all the time in doing transactions, opening a bank account, acquiring property, having property registered in their names, all that. So that was one thing, and then the other thing was that at work, when I was working, I started working then, the policies or regulations then provided that women earned less than their male counterparts with the same qualifications, doing the same job. That is something I personally experienced. In other words, those that I came out of university with, the young men, were automatically by law earning more, not by merit or anything like that, earning more than I was earning.
Honourable Justice Gwaunza is currently the Constitutional Court Judge and Judge of Appeal at the Supreme Court in Zimbabwe. From January 2001 to May 2002, she was seconded from the High Court of Zimbabwe to be a full-time Deputy Chairperson of the Law Development Commission. March 2008 to June 2013. She was appointed Judge at the United Nations International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia, based in The Hague, Netherlands. Honourable Justice Gwaunza has and still holds many leadership positions in which she continues to play a key role in influencing positive change for women and the law. She has been Judge of the High Court of Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe National Coordinator at Women and Law in Southern Africa Research Trust. She has sat on numerous boards of institutions including Musasa Project, Women Leadership and Governance Institute. She is founding member of the Women's University in Africa Board of Trustees, chairperson of the Wills and Inheritance Project. She was also the founder member and current president of the Zimbabwe Association of Women Judges.
And I had a genuine interest in women's issues and the need, because I really felt they were being hard done by, as it were. And I realized I was in a position where I could actually help by giving advice, by talking, making presentations. Later on, I did a lot of research, very deep research, in-depth research into issues to do with family law and women, inheritance, maintenance, property rights and what have you, and contributed to the writing of books and what have you. Dedication, hard work, commitment, believing in yourself. If you have those, the sky is the limit for you.
Honorable Justice Gwaunza has been married for 35 years and has 3 grown-up children. Ladies and gentlemen, to receive an honorary Master of Arts degree in Women and Gender Development, Honorable Justice Elizabeth Gwaunza.